Hello everyone, this is Amit Arora from EcoVisionaire. Continuing with the most expected series of Business Studies Class 12 Term 1. Today we have chapter Principles of Management. Before going to the questions, I would like to show you the syllabus given to us by CBSE. So we have 4 things to cover. We have to understand the concept of principles of management, which includes its features too. Then we have to go for significance of management principles. Then we have to go for Fayol, and in the end we have to go for scientific management, that is Taylor's principles and techniques. So one thing which is deleted this time, it is the comparison of Fayol and Taylor, which is not coming in the exams this term. Coming to the questions now. The question number 1 is the applicability of the principles of management depends upon the prevailing situation at a particular point of time. In phrase पे आपको काफी ध्यान देना है. Prevailing situation at a particular point of time. Identify the feature of principles of management highlighted in the statement. Is it journal guidelines? No. Contingent, flexible? No. All of these? No. It is contingent. Contingent means depending on the prevailing situation. So the feature here is contingent. Coming to question number 2, decisions must be based on facts. They must be timely, realistic, and subject to measurement and evaluation. The significance of principle of management highlighted here is, तो पहले में देखना है कि decision must be based on facts. So is it meeting changing environment requirement? No. Helps in fulfilling social responsibility? Nowhere society is being given in the above statement. Optimum utilization of resources? No, it is also not given. Scientific decisions? Yes. When we follow principles of management, we take scientific decisions as we take the decisions based on facts. तो ये हमारा आंसर है scientific decision. So this covers the significance of management principles. Dash is an extension of the principle of division of work and specially specialization to the shop floor. Factory में कौन सा ऐसा टेक्निक है टेलर की जो हम यूज करते हैं as an extension of division of work? Is it fatigue study? No. Method study, functional foremanship, or differential piece wage rate system? It is very much functional foremanship, where we have 8 foremen, 8 different foremen, 4 for planning and 4 for production. So it is functional foremanship. Next question says pick the odd one out. Is it science not rule of thumb, time study, method study, simplification of work? So what makes science not rule of thumb the odd one out? बहुत easy है. Science not rule of thumb is the principles of scientific management, whereas other 3 are the techniques of Taylor. Miss Surbhi was asked by her sales head to give new buyers a rebate of 20% if they go for bulk purchase, but her finance head instructed her not to exceed 10%. एक कह रहा है कि उसको 20% रिबेट दे दो, फाइनेंस वाला कहता है कि 10% से ऊपर मत देना. कौन सा प्रिंसिपल वायलेट हो रहा है? विच प्रिंसिपल इज वायलेटेड? यूनिटी ऑफ डायरेक्शन? नो. अथॉरिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? नो. डिसिप्लिन? नो. Unity of command? Yes, it is unity of command. When you get orders from more than one boss, you are violating, this company is violating unity of command. Identify the wrong combination. ये कुछ फोरमैन हैं जो फंक्शनल फोरमैनशिप में उनकी जॉब है सामने दी हुई है. तो गैंग बॉस क्या करता है? गैंग बॉस वेरी मच ही कीप्स मशीन एंड टूल्स रेडी. इट इज करेक्ट. रिपेयर बॉस रिपेयर्स द मशीनरी. यस. रूट क्लर्क टाइमली एंड एक्यूरेट कंप्लीशन ऑफ जॉब अभी देखते हैं. एंड इंस्पेक्टर चेक्स द क्वालिटी. सो इंस्पेक्टर, रिपेयर बॉस एंड गैंग बॉस आर करेक्ट. रूट क्लर्क टेल अस द रूट थ्रू विच द वर्क विल बी कंप्लीटेड, and the speed boss tells us the timely and accurate completion of job. So the wrong answer is root clerk. तो यहां पे root clerk की जगह speed boss होना चाहिए था. Coming to question number 7, he believed that an organization cannot succeed without winning the confidence of its employees, and for that it is very important that management and workers both honor their commitments. Identify Fayol's principle of management, जो इसमें हाईलाइटेड है कि दोनों को अपने वादे, अपनी कमिटमेंट्स पे पूरा उतरना है. तो डिसिप्लिन, इक्विटी, स्पिरिट, कॉप्स एंड इनिशिएटिव. वेरी मच इट इज डिसिप्लिन. जब मैनेजमेंट और वर्कर दोनों अपनी कमिटमेंट्स को फॉलो करते हैं तो कंपनी में डिसिप्लिन चलता है. दिस वाज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Aryan was appointed as the Northern Regional Manager by Bedi Pharmaceuticals and Anaya was appointed as Western Regional Manager. Both have similar responsibilities, but Aryan enjoys more perks and salaries than Anaya. It should be than. Identify the principle violated. एक से ज़्यादा preference दी जा रही है एक को same post पे. So is it spiritus corps? Is it equity violated? Remuneration or discipline? It is very much equity that is violated. So principle of equity is violated जब आप discriminate करें. Gangplank is related with which principle of management? I hope every student knows it. Is it unity of direction, unity of command, scalar chain or order? It's very much scalar chain. A company made a research of the wastages and eliminated superfluous varieties during the process of production. जो extra varieties थी जो नहीं required थी वो हटा दी गई. Which technique of scientific management is applied here? Is it standardization, simplification, method study or functional foremanship? It is very much simplifying the job. So it is simplification. Students, now we have some extra questions for you and I request you to answer this in comment section. Also, if you like the video, you should like it there and also subscribe to our channel. And I also request you to share it with your friends so that they can also take the advantage. I'll be sharing more videos like this in future. Term 2 also will be giving you all the important questions. So now these two questions you have to answer in the comment section. Management should find one best way to perform a task. Which technique of scientific management is defined in the sentence? Is it time study, motion study, fatigue or method study? So please write your answer in the comment section. Taylor said that there should be a complete change in the attitude of workers and the management towards one another. They should not compete with each other, they should cooperate with each other. उन्हें compete नहीं करना है, उनको आपस में cooperate करना है. He suggested science not rule of thumb, harmony not discord, order or mental revolution. इसका भी answer I would request you to write in the comment section. And students, now we have 7 December, the mock board exam for you. You just have to download the EcoVisioneer app and to appear in the exam, you can either contact this number or you can just buy this directly from the app store. The exam is just for ₹50. Just one day before your actual board exam, you can give your exam, mock exam and know where you stand. And if any student wants to go for online coaching for term 2 in economics, business studies or pol science, you can contact us on the given numbers and our batches are starting from 20th December. All the best for your remaining exams. God bless you.